All right. APM, over to you.
Thank you very much. I know it's kind of late, so I'm just going to make it briefly because we have some technical issue earlier before we started. And we also battle with some of these saboteurs, all these people that the Nigerian government used to send to disrupt our program. So sorry that I'm kind of late. And for those that are still awake, we appreciate you. Thank you very much. It's all about the freedom of Biafra. That's the reason why we're here. And a lot of us, we are ready to be awake 24/7, fighting for our freedom. We can go to any length, any extent. And for our fellow citizens that are back home, we are aware of the challenges of steady electricity, which is difficult. That's one of the reasons why we are fighting to make sure we restore Biafra. Because the basic amenities, every human being that God created deserves to live like a human being, not like animal. But a lot of our brothers and sisters from home, some of them, where we are, we have steady light here. They don't. Some are using their generator to power their gadget to make sure they have light to be able to stay, spend these 2, 3, 4 hours. Some are using torchlight. Some are using lighter or whatever, lantern. Please, let me just make it brief. My fellow citizens of AKPAKIP, last time there's one of our citizens that reside in one of the Middle East country. He asked a time trying to find out where I'm from. And I remember when I visited Alonso, and I let them know I'm from Alonso, and I'm from Aludo. Last time I'm from Itayana. Today I'm from AKPAKIP, whether you like it or not. So for him that asked me last time from Australia, where I'm from, tell him I'm from AKPAKIP. If you don't like it, that's your business. MAZI OGECHUKWU NKERE is from AKPAKIP. So whether you like it or you don't like it, please, that's where I'm from. Okay, and thank you all the administrator, the admin. You guys have done very great. And I can see our Honorable Bishop here. I know it's late over where she is, but even if we're going to stay more hours, she already dedicated herself to serve the people of Biafra, to restore. And when I keep calling Biafra, it's from her. So I'm calling Biafra. That's our Honorable Bishop here. So I know that's how she used to pronounce Biafra, Biafra. So it's all the same. So we know what we're talking about. Well, special greeting to those before us that have worked so hard to make sure that we know the truth, to make sure that we see the light. It's all about seeing the light. When God sent Jesus Christ, our Lord Christ, to come to die, to redeem us, he said, he made it clear that Christ is light to the world. And what does that mean? Does that mean a steady electricity? No. It's a light in a sense to give us our freedom, to let us know what we need to be able to, get to the Creator and to get favor from Chukwu. So that is what our past leaders have done. Our leader, Ojukwu, accompanied by Philip Effiong, they open our eyes, the reason why we should fight for our freedom. And our leader, MAZI Nnamdi Kanu, start from where they stop. Also, our Prime Minister, MAZI Simon Ekpa. They are both where they are today, fighting for Biafra. Our leader, MAZI Nnamdi Kanu, we're proud of him. Before the program start today, we listened to his thunderous voice and a powerful prayer. So it's he awake the spirit. Now, Prime Minister MAZI Simon Ekpa, I spoke with him 2 days ago. So he's healthy, and he kind of you feel more kind of relief knowing that whatever happened is, it's a lesson, and he learned a lot from it, and he opened his eyes to know things that he haven't before as well, and also made it clear. Our recognition, we also come from Washington, that we are fighting hard for them to recognize us, meeting all this world leader for us to be recognized. And the propaganda on social media, all those that are trying to destroy what we are doing, that will not help. So only what we have, just like what is happening in Twitter space, in S, which we have the hosts are always tutors, and Nkiru, David Inanna, Unkud Number, and so 1 million and others, which we know Minister of Information, MAZI Ogechukwu, is in charge of the media team. They are doing a great job. They are doing it perfectly well. Our Honorable Minister as well, Eunice, Chinyerapu, a lot of them. So if I keep mentioning their name, that means I will take more time. So what they are doing, engaging the international community, especially lately, creating awareness to let them know that there's ongoing war in Biafra land, war that the Nigerian terrorist state have waged upon us. So, and they are really educating the world to know what is going on. So it's better we channel our energy towards creating awareness to the international community. And if we can as well shift our focus from all the distractors, the coup plotters from both camps that are just there misguiding people, misguiding themselves. Just as I said 2 days ago in space, I will find it difficult to forgive them. Even if I do, what about the Biafran people that they have offended? What about the land of Biafra that all these saboteurs, their action, their utterances have killed too many Biafrans? So please, all the evil people, desist from your evil way. It won't help. It won't help at all. PM also is emphasizing on that. Please, I want to encourage each and every one of us. While the program was going on today, I have a lot in my mind. Just thinking when all Biafrans will just come together and put an end to this nonsense that the Nigerian terrorists have brought upon us. And we have to do that quick, very fast, because these people, they don't mean well for us. Nigeria have never offered us anything good for over 100 years. So do you think that will happen now? That will not happen. Since yesterday, I've just been thinking about everything that have been happening. At the end of the day, the victims are always the innocent Biafrans. The victims are always the Biafrans that are struggling to feed twice a day. It always happens that the poor Biafrans, that the system have actually put them in perpetual bondage of poverty for now, until we fully regain our territory and govern ourselves in a way that every Biafra will be able to, have access to all basic amenities to help their family. They're always the victims. When Hope Uzodimma, the former illegitimate governor of Imo State, bombed a lot of community villages in Imo, he did not burn the wealthy people home. It's always the poor people. When he destroyed the marketplaces, it's always the poor Biafrans. I start asking, all these rich politicians, rich Biafrans that have colluded with this terrorist Nigerian state, I ask myself a question. I say, how I wish they are the one these terrorists are actually coming after. How I wish their houses are the ones that have been burned or destroyed, or their businesses. We just want to assure them that from Hope Uzodimma to Soludo to Oti, they have killed thousands of Biafrans. I'm not using the word by here, no. They have killed Biafrans. They have colluded with the Nigerian terrorist state to kill Biafrans. And if we lay our hand on them, we'll kill them. Him that come to kill us, if we have the opportunity in return, we'll kill that person. It don't matter who it is. No one have monopoly of violence. If I, MAZI OGECHUKWU NKERE, if I have opportunity, none of them, I will not spare any of them. They have killed thousands of Biafrans, thousands. They have displaced thousands. They have destroyed our land. They colluded with Nigerian terrorists and the Fulani herdsmen, the jihadists, to come and kill Biafrans. Are you telling me if I have the opportunity, I will not, before they get to us, I will not get to them? I will do it. In a blink of eye, in a blink, I will do it. That's why I encourage every Biafra to wake up before it's too late. To wake up before they kill you. Before they get to you, you get to them. For those that don't want to support what we are doing, shame unto them. We have a lot of millionaires and billionaires. I came across a video today of Obi Kubana's wife in Miami, showing where she went for shopping or whatever, how beautiful, and just demonstrating. And I asked myself a question, but in Biafra land, we don't have such places. And this, the husband is one of those that have, there's a time when Tinubu resumed office, the one they call chief priest, he actually went to see the co-founder of Boko Haram terrorists, Chitim. These people are so evil that they don't care what happened in Biafra land. So it's better they leave our land alone. Leave. They should leave. They can relocate. They can go to Abuja. Obi Kubana, Chief Priest, Soludo, Oti, all these idiots. Let them leave. Let them leave Biafra land alone. I don't want to blame Biafran people for not coming in mass to do the right footing, but I encourage everyone to support and fund our freedom. Freedom is not given. Freedom is taken. If we are waiting for United States of America to hand over our freedom to us in a platter of gold or in a way that Biafrans, don't worry. From today, we recognize you are free. It will never happen. We have to show them the readiness. And they are following what we are doing. They follow us on Twitter space. They follow everything we do. We'll be having meeting with them, negotiating with them. But we have to let them know that we cannot wait until 2030 for the predicted the breakup or collapse of Nigeria, that will happen in the year 2030. We can't wait till then. Let it be now, tomorrow. 2030 might be too late. There is a time the President, J.W. Trump, President of the United States of America, he told the Prime Minister of Israel, Benjamin Netanyahu, to wrap it up, hurry up. Because the more they prolong the war in Gaza, the more people die. So the best thing is to just wrap it up so that there will be less casualty. The more we prolong the freedom of Biafra, the more we prolong, the more Biafrans will be killed. So it's better we hurry up to save life. If we can end the killing today, if we can stop the Nigerian state today, no Biafra will die tomorrow. If we all can come in mass and support this freedom, we will have less casualty, we have less Biafrans being killed. The more we prolong it, the more Biafrans are dying. Because these Nigerian terrorists, they did not come to give us better life. Their aim is to make sure that the Fulani herdsmen overrun our land, and they have colluded with the Nigerian state. Their aim is to chase us from our God-given land. Their aim is to Islamize us, So we have to do everything we can to be free from this bondage. Everything we can. Please, every Biafran, whether you are home or abroad, support your freedom, fund your freedom. We need this fund more than before. All over Biafra land, the Nigerian terrorists, they are everywhere, doing everything they can to bring down our defense forces. Why doing that? They are invading a lot of community, chasing them out. But I just find it heartbreaking that so many Biafrans don't want to wake up and join what we are doing. They just concluded AFCON, the African Nation Cup. There's this young lady from Benue State, Otega. She visited IDP camp to do what? But do you know that this young lady actually believed in one Nigeria? The same Nigeria that she played football, or you call it soccer for. And for them to, they even won a trophy for Nigeria. The same Nigeria have put her own people in IDP camp. And some of these fools happily still promoting the name Nigeria. And the same Nigeria have destroyed life in Benue State, in all over Biafra land. Why some are still call it Nigeria? The same Nigeria that is killing, they are killing Biafra and their own. Please, people of AKPAKIP, remain resilient, remain strong, focus. Biafra is here. Biafra is here. And all those distracting us, please stop the distraction. If you want us, one of those distracting us, just be rest assured, you will not go free. If you want to be forgiven, you have to start making a U-turn. You have to start doing what is right. You have to embrace truth and justice and equity. But if you decide to keep sabotaging what we are doing, we will not forgive you. The end part will not be good. And whatever, all this sabotaging our movement today, whatever they are doing, might as well impact their family or their generation. They don't want to bring costs to their generation. Please, I will encourage every saboteur to desist from sabotaging this great movement. What is awaiting for them, they will not be able to handle it. We will not forgive. Too many Biafrans have died. The genocidal war took over 5 million Biafrans. Until date, Biafrans are being killed every day. They are being chased out of their home every day. And some of my fellow Biafrans, all they do is to complain, to whine about how the Nigerian terrorists have come to kill them. If they come to kill you, prepare and kill them back. Fight. Fight. Fight back. It's only a coward that will be quiet unless somebody come and overrun or kill them. My fellow Biafrans, I encourage everyone to support our freedom, fund your freedom, fight the fight of good fight, fight to free your people. Nothing wrong if you fight for your freedom. And we need to look at the greater and the bigger picture, the benefit we will all enjoy after we have totally liberated Biafra land and restore our sovereignty and govern ourselves how we want. The benefit Biafra will offer good governance, good education, good healthcare system, good infrastructure, all the basic amenities. I don't see any reason why you don't set your eyes on the ball. Nigeria is a failed state. Nigeria have failed and still continue to fail. If you're a Biafra listening to me, if you know those that have come to kill you, kill them back. If it is Hope Ozodinma, you identify him. If you can get to him, do it. If you can't, support those that can. Because him that have come to kill you never love you. Him that have come to kill you have no mercy. Him that have come to take your life don't have the right, don't have the monopoly of violence or to take your life. Him that have come to kill you is not your creator. Every time we go on social media, all what we see, we are whining, crying, how the Nigerian terrorists, how they have come to kill us, how they have deployed this. That is why every Biafra needs to support this freedom. Every Biafra needs to support. And if you're a Biafra, if you have the capacity, the ability to support this freedom, you are not doing it. Shame unto you. Because of time, I think I don't really have much time left. I just want to appreciate everyone that is doing what is right. Keep doing what you are doing. Biafra is here. Biafra is here. But I'm just heartbroken why some Biafrans have not realized this, that Biafra is here. And do what is right by supporting their freedom. Anybody that is found out, that stand our way of freedom, crush that person down. If it is any of these so-called chiefs, evil chiefs that come to destroy you, chiefs that come to sell your land to the foreigners, crush this chief down. If it is the illegitimate governors that we did not validate anymore, crush that governor. If it is one of these failed illegitimate politicians that have sold us out, crush that person. They have killed us enough. So we can't come on air, come every day, be complaining how the Nigerian terrorist is killing us. The whole world knows Nigeria is a terrorist country, a terrorist state. The whole world knows Nigeria is a failed state. Who do you need any prophet to tell you about Nigeria? For over 100 years, we benefit nothing from that useless shithole country. All what the country called Nigeria offers us is pain and sorrow. And for the independent medias, all these people that I don't think the land of Biafra will even forgive them. Both the independent medias, both the content creators, both the faceless ones, evil medias, that all they do is how to bring what we are doing down. They will be the one to cry to you and with their platform, to lie, to deceive Biafrans, to even discourage Biafrans from funding their freedom. The same ones will come and tell you how money is coming in, what they're using it for. What they don't know, they don't have to propagate about it. They need to say what they know. All these people that have come or colluded doing the bidding of the Nigerian terrorist state, it will never end well. It will never be well with them. Everything they lay their hand on will be evil before their eyes. The air they breathe, the food they eat, we turn to poison, we turn to evil. It breaks my heart to see Biafrans dying every day. And Biafrans that are supposed to come to rescue, to support us from this mayhem or from this killing, they refuse to do that. Rather, they try in doing everything they can to bring us down. Thank you, the executive, the admin of AKPAKIP. Thank you all, and we appreciate everyone. Just keep doing what you're doing. Keep funding your freedom. If you haven't registered your name in the book of light, those that are Biafra will remember. If you haven't registered for the land of Biafra to remember you and bless you, kindly do that. Very soon, we will not be asking Biafrans to contribute or to donate. Very soon that will stop and that will end. But for those that think they will just come destroy what we are doing, thinking that, oh, when our Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa come out, he will call everybody back, forgive everybody. That will never happen. Not this time. For those that think when our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out, everyone will just come back and they will start from where they stopped to destroy. That will never happen. That time have gone. It will never happen again. Over 20 years, they took us for a ride. We'll hold everybody accountable. Thank you all from here.
Thank you, our APM.